For decades, we've all been told the same story. Weight loss is just a simple math problem, right? Calories in versus calories out. But what if that's just completely wrong? We're going to dive into this explainer on the work of geneticist Dr. Tim Spector, and trust me, it's going to completely change how you think about food, health, and, well, your own body. So let's just start with this question. Just think about it for a second. Because if the answer isn't in those little black and white boxes, then where is it? Well, we're about to find out that the real story is so much more complex and honestly, way more interesting. All right, first up, let's tackle the biggest rule in every diet book ever written, the calorie. It's time to really pull back the curtain and expose why this whole mathematical model of nutrition we've been following, well, it's fundamentally flawed. Okay, what you're looking at here is a huge shift in thinking. The old myth, it treats your body like a furnace. You just throw fuel in and burn it. Simple. But the biological truth, it's that your body is way more like a supercomputer. Every single bite you take is a set of instructions. It's like a line of code telling your genes and, crucially, your gut microbes exactly what to do. And this, right here, this just shows how broken that old model is. The science is clear. Two different people can eat the exact same meal, the same number of calories, and have up to a 30% difference in what their body actually does with it. 30%. That massive gap tells you everything you need to know. It's an individual's biology, not the number on the box, that really matters. And here it is, the key point, straight from Dr. Spector himself. It's not about the energy, it's about the quality and the structure of the food. Think about it. A handful of almonds and a gummy bear might have similar calories, but they send totally different messages to your body, triggering completely different hormonal and metabolic chains of events. They're not the same at all. So, if calories aren't running the show, what is? And that brings us to the real hero of our story. It's time to meet the trillions, and I do mean trillions, of microbes living inside your gut. Now, this is not just some random collection of bacteria. We're talking about a powerful, living organ. You should really think of your gut microbiome as this bustling city inside you that helps manage, well, everything. Your immune system, your mood, and, yup, your weight. It's the master regulator that we've been pretty much ignoring for way too long. This quote, this just completely flips the script, doesn't it? We don't just directly digest our food all on our own. No, we are feeding this huge internal ecosystem, and it's our microbes that process it, that break it down, and that ultimately decide what our body does with that food. They're basically the gatekeepers. So here's the bottom line. If you want one single thing to focus on for your metabolic health, forget the number on the scale. The most important indicator, the number one marker, is the diversity of species in your gut. A diverse internal garden is a strong, resilient, and efficient one. It's that simple. And this brings us to a really critical distinction. We have to start seeing food as one of two things. Either it's nourishing information that builds our system up, or it's a chemical disruption that tears it down. There really is no in-between. You see, ultra-processed foods aren't just empty calories. They are active biological disruptors. They are literally designed to make you overeat, to bypass the signals that tell you you're full. And the chemicals inside them, things like emulsifiers and preservatives, they act like a poison to your microbial buddies, killing them off and wrecking that all-important diversity. And this leads straight to inflammation and can even cause something called leaky gut. I mean, wow. This quote from Dr. Spector just drives it all home. These foods aren't harmless. They are actively working against our biology, all while pretending to be fast and easy. And it's a trade-off that, as we're learning, is just not worth it. Okay. So, if we're all so different and our microbes are totally unique, what does that mean for diet advice? Well, it means the era of one-size-fits-all is officially over. It's time to start looking at your personal blueprint. This is the ultimate proof. Dr. Spector's own research on thousands of twins, people with the exact same DNA, shows that they can have wildly different blood sugar and fat responses to the exact same meal. If even identical genetics can't predict the outcome, then a generic diet plan definitely can't. And you know, this is the really empowering part. The answer isn't in some diet book you buy at the store. The answer is in you. The future of all of this is about learning to listen to your own body, understanding your unique responses, and using that data to build a way of eating that works for your specific biology. Okay, so this all sounds great, but what do we actually do about it? Let's get practical. How do we start building up what we could call our biological armor? So here it is, a clear, actionable plan. Number 1, aim for diversity. The goal is 30 different types of plants a week. Now that sounds like a lot, but it includes fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, herbs, spices. It all counts. Number 2, embrace fermented foods. These are packed with the good guys, the beneficial microbes. We're talking yogurt, kimchi, kefir, sauerkraut. And number 3, prioritize polyphenols. Just think of these as the vibrant defense chemicals in colorful plants. They not only protect the plant, they also act like premium fuel for your best gut microbes. And you see, this is a total mindset shift. This isn't about what you can't eat, it's all about what you can add to your plate to feed your internal allies. It's this empowering act of taking full responsibility. You could even call it biological accountability. I just love this final quote. It ties everything together into a much bigger picture. Your health, your energy, your potential, it's all deeply connected to the health of this inner world. When you take care of it, you're literally building the foundation to master your life. So I'll just leave you with this. Forget about counting calories for just one day. Instead, think about this question. What's one simple choice you can make today to feed your microbiome? Maybe it's a different vegetable, a spoonful of kimchi, a handful of berries, whatever it is. Start there. Because that one small choice, it might just change everything.